Friends, welcome. In this video, you'll learn analysis about BTC and Ethereum, order flow, and technical analysis. Before, as always, few words about our previous videos that we shared with you and why that stuff really will be useful for you. Remember last update that I shared with you, where I told you that BTC is going to take one of the key levels, this one, or this one, and after that there could be a really beautiful drop. Guess what BTC did since that? It was exactly here. BTC took these levels and did this beautiful drop. Why BTC did this massive drop? Major reason was because there were a lot of trapped buyers, and BTC went to take their stop losses. Have a look on this picture. Exactly during this drop on Friday, open interest dropped by 12,000 coins only on Binance. What this stuff means, in most cases, it was liquidated buyers that get trapped here. When buyers forced to get out, they sell their coins and with loss. 12,000 coins on Binance only, it is 400 millions. You can multiply it really easy. And when we saw this beautiful liquidation with my community, we took beautiful longs on BTC. Have a look at this one. We took beautiful longs on BTC. I shared with all our people that I took long on BTC, as you can see here. After that, also before I told our community that I expect such drop, because here was major liquidity. Honestly, with my community, we didn't take the short because I thought before price would reach this area and only after that. Like, as you can see, sometimes it can go without you. Okay, and here it is our trades on BTC and Ethereum. At this moment, let's cover a few words what I think about Ethereum, and after that about BTC. Remember to follow me on Telegram channel, because every this update I'll share with you on Telegram entirely for free. Also free lessons, articles that will help you make money. Join right now, link description. Few words what will be at this moment. A few words about Ethereum, what I expect, and after that let's cover what exactly we think about BTC and plans on BTC. Okay, about Ethereum. Globally, friends, about Ethereum, I think about this plan. Why I do believe at this moment this plan, because Ethereum several times took these beautiful stop losses, and in most cases, as you can see, when we have powerful trend, far often trend continue, as you can see here. The same here. At this moment, we have this powerful trend. We have this massive liquidity hunt. And next key liquidity will be in this area 2025, 2070, because most of the people that open short, especially in this range or here, it is a place where they will be liquidated. That's why I do believe about potential rise on Ethereum into this area. Also, friends, in most cases, I record videos about BTC. Share with me, should I do updates about Bitcoin and Ethereum all together, because Ethereum often gives even better trade ideas. Also, next reason why I think Ethereum really possibly can reach that area, because of this really big wall of liquidity. It is liquidation levels by special tool that shows to us if Ethereum would reach this area, a lot of people will get their stop losses. Quite often, price moves from such liquidity areas really beautifully, and it is exactly here above this level. That's why, plus we have exactly this beautiful trend. About Ethereum, what will be better for us to take a trade? Honestly, it would be way better if price would make some pullback into this area, to this value area high, and here it would be really a good place to take a long trade into this area. Only when price reaches this area, only we can start thinking about some short trades. Until that, only scalp against trend. That's about Ethereum, my friends. Let's cover also a few words about BTC. What at this moment I do think about BTC. BTC at this moment exactly in the middle of this range, exactly in the middle. BTC took liquidity here and here. Again, at this moment, major liquidity below and above. Honestly, right now it's difficult. It will be difficult to trade this range because price can continue be in this range for a while. That's why. I what I recommend you is to wait simply for some local fake outs, for some local traps, and to take trades from these traps. Globally on BTC at this moment, major liquidity above a range. Here, it is a plan that I shared with our community. By the way, you can join our community even for free, only by opening account on our partner exchange. There would be info in description. Consider to join entirely for free. Major liquidity at this moment, as you can see, above this range, major liquidities. It's why price easily can go and take this stop losses of these people that took short here. But my friends, without some local entry point, it will be difficult to make money on that. That's why what I do believe on BTC, as I shared here with our community members, I do believe into something like this. If Bitcoin would take some local stop losses like this one, would take some local level. Here would be some volume, like it was here. They took level, like here they took local level. After that did rise. The same here. If they would take this level, it would be the best area to take entry into this zone. That's why, my friends, what you can do at this moment. Right now, remember to push forward to subscribe, and right now watch a video lesson that will help you understand our trading strategies that helps take such beautiful trade. It is that strategy based on open interest and delta, because that it is areas where price with 90% chance will reverse. That's why right now here would be a link. Watch that lesson. If you enjoy, consider to share it with your friends. Thank you.